Hey, this is Zephyr's Mortgage in Motion, where I am out getting steps or some kind of movement, and also providing a little bit of mortgage insight and tips. I'm going to keep going with this theme. I've done a couple of refinance videos, and this is going to be another one. So I wanted to talk about the refinance process, and it can vary per loan, but I just kind of want to talk in like a general sense today. So the first thing you're going to want to do is talk with loan officer, me probably. Ask me questions, of course, but you're going to reach out and you're going to have some really just generic information to start. You want to kind of know what your property is worth, and you want to know what your current payoff is and what your current interest rate is. So when you have that conversation, the loan officer can help you determine really what the best path forward is of what kind of loan program you're going to get into, because whatever loan you have now is going to be a little bit different. A lot of the times it can be very, very similar, but the new loan, like I said in my last video, is a new loan. It's not going to carry over the same terms as the previous. So you're going to do the loan application. You still have to qualify with the same kind of basic stuff: income, equity in the property, credit, that kind of stuff. There are some loan programs where if it's just like kind of a quick refinance system, you can, almost do things in an automatic way where maybe you don't even need an appraisal. But let's say you do need an appraisal. So we figured out, yes, you can qualify on that payment that you're going to get into. There's enough equity in the property for the type of loan program that you're going to get into, etc. So ordering the appraisal is the same as it was when you did the purchase. The appraiser is going to go out there and determine value. When that comes in, just do double check. Where is your loan program at? How much equity is in the property? Do you still qualify? All that kind of good stuff. And then you close. So when you're talking with your loan officer, you're going to want to ask them a little bit more about, what kind of program is best suited for you, the best interest rate. Do you need cash out, and exactly what is that amount of cash out that you're going to need? Do you qualify for that? All that kind of stuff. And then you go to closing. So it's really similar to your purchase process, in the essence that you have to be able to qualify for it. And again, a lot of lenders have different programs where you can make it kind of streamlined, and you can kind of forego some of the official documentation like pay stubs and an appraisal and possibly even credit in some situations. So that's kind of the quick and dirty version of how you do the refinance process. And if you have any questions, please reach out, and definitely do a really good job kind of knowing that it's time to actually do it based on value in the current market, based on the current interest rate, based on what your current needs are. So that's that for now. This is Zephyr's Mortgage in Motion, and I'm out. Thanks, guys.